What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own team in Madden NFL 26. Alright, if you're trying to make your own custom team, here's exactly how the whole process works, start to finish. When you first open the game, you'll see the creation center on the main menu. That's where you can edit rosters, create players and download teams that other players have built. But here's the catch, there is no team builder inside Madden 26 itself. The option simply isn't there. To actually create your own team, you have to do it outside the game using EA's official team builder website. Just head over to this website and sign in with your EA account. If you bought the game through Steam, you can log in with Steam and it will link automatically. Once you are in, select get started, click create, and the first thing you'll do is pick a logo. You can choose one from the library or upload up to 5 custom PNG logos. PNG files usually works best cause of the transparent backgrounds, so they'll look clean on uniforms. I'm keeping the customization pretty simple here, just to show you how the process works. If you spend more time tweaking logos, uniforms and details, you can make your team look way better than this. After selecting a logo, you can generate a color scheme straight from it, pick up to 3 team colors and fine tune them if needed. Once that's locked in, head into the uniforms tab. Here, you can customize your helmet, jersey, pants, socks and everything else. You can add your logo to the helmet, adjust the scale and placement, change the stripe style and rebuild the full uniform piece by piece. And remember, you can create up to 5 different uniform sets for your team. Next, go to the stadium tab, choose your stadium type, which can be traditional, retractable roof, futuristic or whatever fits your team's vibe. You can also tweak your fan colors, pick your field surface and place your logos on the 50-yard line, the 20-yard marks or even upload custom graphics to drop anywhere on the field. If you want custom end zones, this is where you can get creative. Once your stadium is done, move to the franchise tab to adjust your roster. You can rename every player, edit their ratings, change their appearance, or even drop yourself into the lineup. These players act as placeholders for now, so you can skip this part if you plan to use real NFL players later. When everything's set, click save, then submit. It might take a few attempts cause the site sometimes throws errors, but once it goes through, your team will upload to your account. Now jump back into Madden 26, go to Creation Center, then switch over to My Shared Files by pressing R1 or RB. You'll see your custom team waiting there. Download it and repeat the process for any other teams you made. You can create up to 32 custom teams. Finally, start a franchise, select online or multiplayer. When you get to the team selection screen, you can swap any NFL team with one of your custom teams by pressing X on Xbox or square on PlayStation. It doesn't have to be the team you control. Either you can replace the entire league if you want and run a fully custom NFL vert. And that's it. Your custom team, uniforms, stadium and roster are fully playable in Madden 26 franchise mode. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.